Jobbik the Tamaraw.
Jobbik the Tamaraw. Jobbik.
Carabao. This is Carabao.
Carabao. You can see the chicken.
Nice cock. That's chicken.
Nandun naman, nagbo-boring si Nick. Masayaw siya dun, oh. Kita nyo ba si Nick? So, right now, we're making our way to the summit of Mount Baclaw. Let's go! Sobrang mabutik pa rin, oh. Tignan nyo naman.
Bago.
Same bundok pa rin. Iba-ibang experience. Took our umbrellas outside.
Kampulang po yan.
Ngayon lang umulan. Ulan pa rin, eh. Maambon. You can see the ridge. 50 na raw yung umakyat, eh. Mahangin at mabutik pa din. Woo!
Third registration.
Araw na yan. Isang beach po.
Morning, sir.
Morning po. We're still in the old trail, going to the summit. It will just take about 30 minutes. 30 minutes, tas may dalawang registration pa. Pure, ibig sabihin, puro. In English, banayad. Pa lang ngayon, no? So may message ata si Austin our friend. He's it because he's a pig. When I woke up this morning, the sun smiled on me, reminding me once again of the beauty of being loved by you. Day by day, I love you. Happy 18th month of our love, Anasi. In Tagalog,
Anniversary.
happy oink oink
Day.
Alright, Boos, we got you covered, bro. Some of the trails with the use of the hands. Whoa! Wala na sila. Lapit na, lapit na. Around 10 to 15 minutes going to summit. And at my back you can see the Taal.
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
Wind here. Okay na yung windy kaysa wala, diba? Tara, akitin na natin.
Halika.
The wind is very strong on this part. So bumaba na sila. From new to old. Lapit na kami. Joey's here, bro. This is the summit. Uman Batsula, bro. Yo, bro.
Yo, bro.
So wala nang bubong. Baka tinangin na yung bubong. Huli.
Ibig sabihin na LED, ano yung
Pitong
ano na-
LED.
Sabi ko, leave no trace.
Malaman ka mo. LED.
Ika daw, pinahaba ko lang daw eh.
Pero tama.
Sabi ko, di ko na po alam eh. LED, leave no trace lang alam ko eh.
Kahit isa sa pito, di mo alam.
Wala. Alam ko lang, leave no trace.
Namin to. Namin pa din. Namin. Now let's jump up. Yahoo!
Jump.
I don't know. It was easy. Nikin. Siyempre, hindi mo mawala ang Mountain Dew. After ng ice.
Said that it's raining in Batangas. How dare you?
Happy? It's raining.
Oh! Look at what we got. We got Lays and Mountain Dew right over here. In the
Because Pepe's not here. Pepe's not here, we have Lace.
Sarap! Oh!
Oh!
Taste of air with free chips. That's a bro goal, right? Bro goals. We're now mounted in the tricycle going back to the parking.
Sakit sa puwet, bro.
Yung itlog bro, tumatama.
Yes, my balls and my ass. Oh!
Bro goals.
Bro balls. Gaganon-ganon ko po.